Woman showering encomium on her husband manhood.
I want to honor you today. Oh, now I couldn't kneel before you because you know your girl gets excited and likes to mic check. 1, 2, 1, 2. But I want to thank you for your 18 years of service. 3 of those being a fornicator fantasy. 15 of those 18 years being marital bliss. You have stretched me in ways that I never thought I could be stretched with your hard work and your dedication. You and your 2 disciples have spread the love of Jesus all across. You've made me call on the name of the Lord several times. Jesus, Jesus, oh Father God, oh Jesus. You have been places no man has ever gone before. And you probably won't ever get to go again because it hurt. I've seen you grow. And I've seen you grow and grow. And when you grow, I get growing pains. Because sometimes you bring the pain and I love it. Thank you for bringing me to the land of milk and honey. Amen.